So unfortunately, I've got a bit of a wind whistle. The Arai XD4, I didn't hear much there. I had earplugs in, just a slight whistle, but it sure shows up on the video, so I'll have to fix that. Look at that, just gorgeous out here. Just beauty. So I figured I'd get the drone up, get a little bit of nice footage with the drone, but as you'll see, that didn't really work out as planned. My beacon wasn't working, so it didn't track well, and then I was struggling to recover it. Here's me trying to catch my drone. Lost connection. Won't connect. I don't know what's going on with it. So if I can... I can't get it because it tries to avoid. Sounds like I got a bunch of mad wasps. So now... Ouch! Ooh. Okay, just about chopped my fingers off, but I got my drone. Son of a bitch, that's a little bit stinging. Should have had my glove on, I guess. Yeah, that's good. Well, I'm going to stop here. And I didn't bring my jet boil. Brought the little hobo stove. little Mora knives, cheap, but boy, they're a good little Swedish steel knife. Really, for the price, you can't beat them. Well, let's see if we can get something going there. But I think we're getting close to a boil. Oh yeah, beauty. Yeah, that's a nice shot. Nice crema, good crema on that. Oh yeah. Mmm. Well, yeah, real nice shot. Mmm. A survival course, and the instructor said, "What's the number one thing you take when you go out into the backcountry?" Everybody thought it's matches or a lighter or a ferro rod, and it's your head. Plan what you're doing. Use matches, use a lighter, but have a backup. That if you can't get it going, you've got another way of going. That's good. Well, just packing up, but of course, don't forget, soak. If you build a fire, soak's really good, so we don't have any forest fires. Just beautiful, like just amazing that this is kind of in the backyard, Yeah. Down here a ways. Well, I wasn't planning to do a little detour, but real nice cruisy trail here. I think I'll turn around up here though. And back on the road. Beautiful. And this is starting up there. You can see the road zigzags up, over and back down on the other side. Look at that down there. You know, beautiful light here too, with that sun kind of in the back. I guess I could crawl in here quick. Oop. I guess maybe back onto the road. Just idle along now.